let me show you the perfect example of long crank hard start due to the faulty glow plug system. Today we have a Mitsubishi Delica L400 with a 440 diesel under the hood, and this Delica has a problem with the glow plug circuit. Outside is warm, as you can see, grass is green, we have plus 10 degrees Celsius, plus 50 Fahrenheit. And in the first clip I will show you how it's hard to start the diesel without working glow plug system. And in the second one, how easy and fast diesel starts after the repair. Yeah, video will be down in the description below, how to troubleshoot and diagnose the glow plug system on a Delica, and the repair video will be down as well. Check it out. Vehicle is running. As you can see, it took a while for her to start. You could see the day and night difference between faulty and operating properly glow plug system on Mitsubishi Delica 440 diesel, and diesel needs a glow plug system to work at the startup, at the warm-up. Yeah, if you have any comments, critics, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for your time watching this video. Keep your Delica on the road, keep your Delica happy, and remember, Delica will run forever with a little bit of maintenance. Bye bye.